Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're excited about getting into cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase using your debit card in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, Coinbase remains one of the easiest platforms to use, and I'll walk you through it step by step so you can get started quickly and confidently. First things first, make sure you have the Coinbase app downloaded on your phone or head over to their website on your computer. It's free and user-friendly. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. You'll need to provide some basic info like your email, create a password, and verify your identity. This is standard for security reasons and usually takes just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, the next step is to add your payment method. Navigate to the Payment Methods section in your settings. Here, select Add a Payment Method and choose your debit card. You'll enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Coinbase might ask for additional verification, like a small test deposit, so keep an eye on your bank statements. Now, it's time to buy Bitcoin. Go to the Buy tab on the homepage. Search for Bitcoin. It's usually right at the top. Enter the amount you want to purchase in USD or your local currency. Remember, prices can fluctuate, so double-check the current rate. Once you're happy with the amount, select your debit card as the payment option and review the transaction details. Hit that Buy Now button, and Coinbase will process your purchase. It should only take a few seconds to a minute. You'll get a confirmation notification, and your Bitcoin will appear in your Coinbase wallet. Pro tip: for better security, consider transferring your Bitcoin to a personal wallet right away instead of leaving it on the exchange. And there you have it. You've just bought your first Bitcoin on Coinbase with a debit card. Always remember, investing in crypto involves risks, so only use money you can afford to lose. Stay informed about market trends and keep your accounts secure with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's navigate the crypto world together. See you next time.